Okay students, today our topic is prime factorization. So if you are new on my channel and you have not seen the videos regarding prime numbers and factorization, so you can please hit the bell icon and also hit the subscribe button so you will get the notification of my new videos and the similar videos. Okay, now we will move to the next topic. Today we have prime factorization. So first, in brief, I'll tell you that what are prime numbers. Those numbers which comes in their own table or 1 are known as prime numbers. Like for example, I'll ask about 2. 2 comes in its own table and 1, and it's a simple definition that I'm telling you, not in the language of maths. Like for example, I'll ask you 17. 17 is also a prime number because it comes in 1 times table and itself only. Those numbers are called prime numbers. The detailed explanation is that those numbers which have exactly 2 different distinct factors are known as prime numbers. Factors means those numbers which divides a given number completely, gives the remainder 0 after division, are known as factors of that numbers. Like for example, I'll ask you 2 is divisible by 1 and itself only. Itself means 2. Okay, so 2 is a prime number. So the concept of prime number is revised. Now we will move that what is prime factorization. Prime factorization, the simple meaning of factorization is break a number. Okay, break a number. Okay, factorization means break a number. Okay, prime factorization means break a number into its prime factors. Okay, I'm explaining it again. Prime factorization means break a number into its prime factors. I'll write here, break a whole number, break a whole number into its prime factors. Okay, so if I'll ask you that what are the prime break prime 6 into its prime factors. 2 times 3. So what is the answer? It's 6. Okay, this is known as a tree method. Okay, it's just for small numbers. When you have to find the prime factors, it's mostly applied on grade 4, grade 5, that it is a tree method, that by which we can break a given whole number into its prime factors. Like 2 times 3 is 6. 2 and 3 both are the factors of 6. Factor means, you can also check my previous video about factors for more detail. Okay, now I'm telling in brief. Those numbers which divides a given number completely are known as its factors. 2 and 3 divide 6 completely, we all know that, and their product is 6. So this is a prime factorization of 6, that I have breaked it into its prime factors. Okay, that is prime factorization. So why we use prime factorization? We use prime factorization to find square root, to find HCF, to find LCM. All these are the concepts which we solve by using prime factorization. So in my next videos, I will explain you that how we can find the square root by prime factorization, how we find the LCM, what is LCM also, and how we will find the HCF of 2 or 3 given numbers. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, please hit the button like, also hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of my next video regarding these topics and the exercises also that I will explain in the next videos. And also subscribe to my channel and also share it so other students will also get help and subscribe. Thank you.